All right, the battery does have to be changed. It needed to be jumped. So we have a full tank of gas, 109,000 kilometers. The car's been on. I saw a little video. Well, I took a little video of it being pulled out. You know, rev's good, engine's fine. Maybe the boost gauge does not work. Can ask about that. Might need to be replaced. We will do the electronics check and engine running video. I'm doing auto. It is a cold day. It says 8 degrees, but I mean, I have a big jacket on. Yeah, it's already blowing hot because the car's been on for a while. That's good. Try to turn it down. Whoops. Turn it down. Switch to cold. Yeah, it already switched to cold, obviously. Alright, good there. Horn works. Let's go windows down. Windows up. A little slow. Mirrors in. Mirrors out. Let's do adjusting. Up, down, out, in. Up, down, out, in. Good. Alright, so far just boost gauge. Shifting is soft. The clutch feels stock, nothing serious. E-brake's fine. Definitely a stock clutch. Has a turbo timer, ETC machine. Yeah, you got it ready. Alright, rear tail blinker. Rear tail and blinker. Can't see with the sun kind of shining on it. Side marker. Headlight, blinker. Headlight, blinker. Side marker. Is this leaking antifreeze? Alright, had to do a quick repair. Checking the boost sensor right now. The hose is kind of loose, so we can hear it kind of squealing. And this hose right here, and actually you can see the bite mark from the clamp. It wasn't on properly, so the coolant went down. So you fix that, and now there's no trouble. That was scary at first. I've had a bad experience with an RX-7 while doing an inspection. But yeah, engine running. I'll get that in just a second. All right, boost gauge, or sorry, the boost sensor was replaced. He had a spare one, so we replaced it, and now it is working. These guys are awesome. Pop the trunk. Trunk is completely clean. Don't even need to really talk about it. I'll have the pictures. Engine running. You know, there's no sounds. I mean, I can sit here and do the actual engine video with it running. The struts are good. The frame down here does look like it's all been painted. Now, whether that was to cover or repair surface rust, it's clean. Radiator support. There's no rust or hidden damage on there. Everything is checking out. It's all, the whole car's obviously been painted the blue. It looks great. Battery fan. There's no squealing. Just the battery will need to be replaced, as I mentioned. Everything is nice. Muffler sounds really good. have it like offset, not straight back, kind of like the old Supra used to be. Alright, we'll cut this off and we'll do the exterior. Alright, that was scary, that could have hit me in the head. Anyways, start with the walk around. We're right on the street, so it's quite loud. As far as the body is concerned, there is no signs of any damage, dents, or dings on the entire car. Start with the front bumper, no spider cracks. The GTR look, it does still have the ER34 hood, but it has this lip that makes it look like the GTR bumper. So the bonnet's not been replaced. Headlights are completely fresh. Yeah, there's not much to talk about here. There's like a run line in the paint, I think. Yeah, you kind of see it right here. So the worst on the car is there's runs in the paint. The hood, you can see, you know, the reflection. It's a little orange peely, a little heavy, but it does shine. So the worst part on the whole car is right here. There's a heavy run right here and right here. I mean, that's a mountain right here. That's it. As far as the actual body panels are concerned, completely smooth. Side skirts line up, no cracking. There's no door dings on the door. There's no dents or scratches on the rear driver quarter panel. There is dirt in the paint, which is often with these Rabbit cars. They paint them themselves. This one's kind of dull here. You can see it's not as shiny right there. Maybe that needs to be wet sanded and polished. Trim. They always put these carbon fiber stickers on it, but the trim itself is really nice. It's not breaking. There was probably there's like a residue because it probably had the wind visor. Mirrors are good. Door handles are nice, no scratches. Rear window, the wiper has been painted. It was probably rusted right here, rusted here. Trunk is a little dirty from the rain yesterday. But I mean, it's a nice time of the day to see the cloud reflections in there. Rear bumper too, completely clean. Oh, there is a chip here. Took me a while to find that. Passenger quarter, same thing. Little orange peely. Door. Side skirt, no spider cracking. There is blue overspray there. Other than that, I showed you the underbody pictures. It's really clean. Handle. Again, trim on this side. In the trunk, I took a picture. There was also a run spot in here for a paint run. Passenger front fender. Right. Passenger wheel front. It's pretty curved up. All around the side. Brakes are stock. normal. I think so. Just missing the fender liner. Passenger rear. This one's in better shape. Driver rear. Still overspray. I did send you the pictures of the underbody. Yeah, this dealer will put the car on the lift for me and take nice pictures instead of, you know, trying to say do it yourself. Stupid foreigner. Jack points are a little hard to see because of the side skirt. But they're not pinched or chewed up. Have it. All right, interior. It's a little dirty if you get down to the fine cracks, but overall, it really lacks all the scratches of a 100,000 kilometer car, which is really good. Like even the kick, you know, people kicking the door is not very noticeable. The knobs, you know, the vents are not cracked. Dash is not cracked. All the way around. There's some stuff in the glove box, so you can't really see any of that, but we've got the gauges working. Yeah. There's just a little bit of scratch, which obviously every Skyline and Sylvia of this age has, but this is on the very little side. Now, it does look like it's been used. I mean, I probably have a little cold right now, but I don't smell any sort of tobacco smell. These are a little dirty, not very. I mean, the oh crap bar is not all dirty. Inner cards here as well. They keep these plastic covers, but I mean, I've looked under the covers. The seats are clean. There's no cigarette holes on them. Shift. And the rear seats as well are very clean. The rugs are all in the trunk. Oh, while I'm at it, I will show you the trunk. The steering wheel looks like it's been painted. You know, like it's smooth, but I think if you clean this, it's gonna take the finish off. I don't know how normal that is, that somebody would paint these. I'd be afraid to clean it. This, yeah, it cleans up a little bit. Turbo timer, traction control, ETC machine. It's very minimal in here. It's almost completely stock, so really there's just the muffler. I don't know if it, I mean, I don't even think it's changed the downpipe or the catalyzer because it's a deep sound, but only mufflers sound. You know, there's no intake on it. I mean, this looks completely mint in here. Maybe there was a, there's screw holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I bet you there was a multi-disc changer in there because I see them in almost every single car. And under the the spare tire housing is completely clean. Factory seals, it's just dusty. Got the factory tar in there. The outside of the dust looks really nice. But so here's the run right there. It's huge. Can't really see it if the trunk's closed, obviously. But the bonnet or the trunk dampers are shot as well. There you have it. It's a really nice car. Nothing that would make me run away from it. Obviously, the leaking coolant did it first, but we fixed it right away.